Hello, quick everyone. In my last video where I introduced Dynamic Mini Pro to you, my new homogenizing tool, in this video I'm going to show you how to blend your xanthan gum fast within 2 minutes without using glycerin or heat. Okay, so let's say you want to make a very fast gel and you have your formula already and you know you need to blend your gum. So the first thing you want to do is just take your gum, okay, take the amount you want to blend, make sure you have it ready. Okay, so let's say I want to blend this amount of gum here. I'll measure that. I'll make sure it's ready. Take your handheld homogenizer, so whether you are using this or any other handheld homogenizer will do. Okay, I don't recommend you using immersion blender. Thing you want, anytime you are using an homogenizer or any mixing tool for that matter, make sure you do not allow it to stay down because it's dangerous. Some of them, the blade can destroy your cup or whatever tool you are using. So make sure you lift it up a little bit. Okay, lift it up a little bit, but don't take it all the way out. Not this. Make sure it's submerged. Okay, the head is submerged in water, but not like this. Submerged in water, slant it a little bit and start it. So what you want to do, okay, remember it's creating a ripple. You want to make sure you pour your gum, your powder, into that ripple, not any other place. So let's start the ripple. The stronger the force, and this homogenizer tool, like I said, told you you can increase it. Yeah, plus is to increase, minus is to decrease. So let's start it and increase it. Then we're going to add this little by little into that ripple. See that ripple? That is a very good thing you want. So let's increase it. Then we're going to add that into that ripple. Continue blending. You can increase the speed of your homogenizer. What you want to do is to make sure you blend it until everything is properly blended. Mix and blend. And perfect, your gum is ready and well blended. That is how to blend your gum without using. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is. This is your gum right there. You can blend your gum without using vegetable glycerin or other solvents. When you have an homogenizing head of this type, okay, this is going to do an excellent job of dispersing your gum for you. Okay, so that's about it for this video. So you can see how beautiful it is. In my previous video I introduced this tool to you. It's called Mini Pro Mixer by Dynamics. Okay, now I'm using two things. The head here is an homogenizing head from here to here, and this one came with the Mini Pro on 4 other blades. I've shown you in the previous video. I'll link the video in the description box below. I hope this video has been of help. See, it's just going to make your job a lot easier when you have an hand-aid homogenizer. You know, here on my formulation desk I have mixer, I have a stand-up homogenizer, and trust me, sometimes you just don't want to you just don't want to come near a stand-up homogenizer. You want something that is more mobile, more portable, and that's why I got this. This is the second time I'm going to show you on this channel. I hope it has been of help to you, and it's my joy to help you improve your formulation skill and to make your job a lot easier. So thanks for joining. If you have not subscribed to the channel, this is the best time to do so. So click the subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell to be notified of my next video. Happy formulating, everyone.